Welcome to our project presentation. This project is done as a part of our course Web Architecture and Frameworks. Here are our team members: Haftal, Tarakan, Tagasta, Yurgalam. As part of the presentation, we will have the following contents: introduction, diagrams, screenshots, technologies, and demo, and question and answer. So our system is a course info sharing system. It is designed with the purpose of resource sharing and acting as a platform for students and other practitioners in the IT industry. And students or clients can create a course snippet for any given problem, and they can attach tags to it, and they can identify it using any language. So they have to register in order to share their code snippets, or otherwise they can see public code snippets without getting registered. This is our use case diagram. So an actor interacts with our system using this modules. So we have the registration or sign up module. We have a manage snippet module, managing language module, managing tags module, and master search snippet module, search tags module, search snippets by tag module, and this is our class diagram. So the class diagram consists of snippet, user, tag entity, tag, capability, language, and roles. So technologies involved in doing this project: NetBeans as an ID, Glassfish, Spring Framework, Bootstrap, Ajax, SAS, Build-Tool Code, Ajax, StarYML, GitHub for code synchronization and sharing. Now I call upon my friend for the demo.
Okay, thank you. My name is Tarakan. I will present user registration part. Our system on the first page displays public snippets, and if a user wants to access more functionalities or create public and private snippets, has to be create account on the system. Before to login, the user must be registered and authenticated. Any user can be created user account. Here, user can be filled correct information on registration form, and after he can be submit. For example, let me add some user data. As form. If the user enters the correct information, he can be successfully registered. But if he didn't enter the invalid information, for example, space for this values, he didn't enter to the system validates all contents of the form. When you try to login, just display error messages on the screen. So we have to be enter the correct information. Just like this. And when it yes, so it's correct, it's create the account. Just we have to be authenticate his account. Just enter the previous email address. if if the user enters the correct password and username, the login is successfully, and the page displays redirect to user profile page. At this page, he can be view his public and private snippets. If the user created contents are public, they can be viewed by another user. He can be view another public user snippets. Just like this, the contents are created by another user. If wanted to show if wanted to show different users contents, just press he these contents are displayed created by another person is as a public content, so you can show another person contents. And if a user has teams completed his task, can be logged out and he has not access the previous pages, just click the logout button. At this stage we finished. We didn't create a status, and thank you.
Okay, my name is Takasta. So I will be demonstrating the snippet creation process. We have to log in first. I have this user already here. Log in, and then as you can see, I already have one snippet. I can see the snippet. If I click right here, it will be like this. We have code highlighting using Prism.js, so it's nice. We have finished the editing functionality. It has a little bit bug, so I will not demo it now, but we can do the deletion, so it will successfully delete it. As you can see, the content is gone. Now let's create a new snippet. In the snippet creation, for example, let's say left part, JavaScript left part, then our I will put on some just random code. It might not be experts. For example, this code right here, I don't know what it does, but it's just right here. For example, this adds new tag, for example, to the option list. So it can be either public, the CP can be either public or private. So when you click public, it will be public. For example, we have tags here, we can tag them for easier searching later. We can add our own, for example, tag, save tag to tag, we can give save tag. So if I hit click, it will save to the backend using Ajax cases. We are using timeout to simulate network delay here. So it will save it. I hit save, and here we have our code. Next, this basically the snippet creation process. Next, for example, if I next will be demonstrated by Yergalem, the search functionality.
Hello everyone, I'm Yergalem. I'll present regarding the searching of snippets that are already given or entered by my friend Takasta. So you are able to search the contents of the snippet by either title, description, outer, or tags. Here are the list of tags that are already inserted or assigned to the snippets. So you need just you type the title of the snippet. So as you type the title, you will get the associated snippet. Also, you can insert the author of a snippet, say right here. Then you will get the snippet posted by Rahel. Here are the list of snippets actually, and these snippets that we are viewing are the shared snippets, and these are the tags assigned to these snippets. So if I click the JavaScript, I'll see this snippets which are under the category of JavaScript. The tags are already entered previously. So these are the list of tags. Among this, let's see what the JavaScript is. JavaScript has two scripts in it. As you can see from here, there are two snippets under JavaScript, PHP, and the others doesn't have snippets under them. So you have one snippet. The tags could be language names like JavaScript, Java, or something, or custom message like validation. Could be according to the purpose of this snippet. So anyone can give his own tag names. So this ends our presentation for Snippet Hub project.